Let's look at how to install OOS Covaxin on Xiaomi POCO F1. Yes, it is the old build, but a most stable one. There are many gaming builds out there today, even including different versions of OOS, ROM Pro, Rogue Edition, and all other MIUI ports and AOSP based ROMs. To understand performance of OOS Covaxin over all these builds, I am going to do all my tests on this ROM. As a first step, let's look at the installation. So before getting started, if you are new here, check out my channel and subscribe if you like my works. To begin with, you need to have a unlocked bootloader, a custom recovery installed, the ROM files with preferred recovery. Links are mentioned in the description. There will be 4 files including recovery. Once they are downloaded, move it inside your SD card, else it is fine with phone memory. After, quickly get into settings and remove all security measures including Google account dinged with your phone. If you are from MIUI, remove the MIUI account. Once these are done, power off your device. Now press and hold power button followed by the volume up key till you see the boot logo. Once you are in recovery, first is to flash preferred recovery file. Browse into downloads file directory and select recovery file, and from the pop-up select recovery again and swipe to flash. If you are using TWRP currently, once you are in downloads folder, you need to select install image from right bottom side and select recovery and flash it. Once flashing finishes, reboot your phone into recovery once. Now you will be in OOF Gangs TWRP. I am using the latest version 7. Now let's format the directory. Select wipe, advanced wipe and select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. If your phone is encrypted, select internal storage, else leave it as it is. Now swipe to wipe. Wait until the formatting finishes. Once done, select home and select install. Browse into the downloaded ROM file location. Once you are in the location, you will see 3 different files. From them, select system file first and add more zip, vendor file followed by firmware file. Once all selected, swipe to install. Wait until the recovery finished flashing ROM files. Once done, confirm there is no errors noticed. After, wipe cache Dalvik and reboot your phone into system. Do not install TWRP now. You will see the boot logo in few seconds. Let me quickly finish the first boot step and come back. One more thing is that if your phone gets stuck with boot logo, just do a force reboot. So here it is, the OOS Covaxin build based upon OnePlus 6 Oxygen OS version 10.3.7. I'll be making a full performance review of this ROM at the earliest. So that's all for today. Till next time, be safe and take care.